Hi all, Chris here. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a custom collection view cell. Okay, so this is where the app stands so far. You've got the list of categories, and if you tap on one, it loads the list of wallpapers for that category. However, the cells are just blank at the moment. So we're going to make a custom collection view cell. So let's do that. Okay, in our cells folder, we'll make a new UI collection view cell subclass. And we'll call this the wallpaper cell. Right. Now, this cell will contain an image. Now to create the image, we need to override the init method. Now in the init method, we'll create the image. Now, collection view cells have a content view, which is where you should add all your custom subviews. And we'll want the image to fill the cell. So we'll set its content mode to aspect fill. And we'll need to set clips to bounds to yes, so that it doesn't spill outside the bounds. We'll need to lay out this image view in the layout subviews method. We'll just make it fill the frame. And we'll also need to provide a setter to set the data. Now, the wallpaper model object is appropriate, so we'll need to import that. And we'll make a setter that gets given one of those model objects. Now to set the image, we'll use SD web image again. So we'll import that. And in the setter, we will use the SD web image category methods. Great, we'll just expose this method in the header. And we'll need to declare the class. Alright, so now we've got our custom cell ready to go. Now we need to change the view controller to use the cell. So over to the wallpapers view controller. This is a collection view controller you may remember from before. And in viewDidLoad, we use register class to tell the collection view what type of cell to instantiate. So we need to change that to be our new cell class. So we'll import it. We'll get rid of this, which isn't necessary. We'll move the constant up the top for neatness. And down here where we register the cell, we change the class that we want it to be registered as. And then later on, when we use DQ to DQ or create a new cell, we need to use our new type. Now we need to set the, we need to get from the array of wallpapers, we need to get the correct one. And now we need to set that on the cell. And we can get rid of this background color. That was just there for debugging the cell placement before. All right, let's run that and see what we get. I'm going to go with beaches. And they're loading. That is fantastic. That's great. Now you'll notice that if you tap on one, I'm clicking right now, which hopefully you can hear, nothing gets, the selected state isn't highlighted. So we'll change the cell to do a similar job to what happened in the category cell. We'll override set selected. And in set selected, we'll set the image as alpha to 0.5 if it's selected. This way we should see the underlying image or underlying color, which is white, bleed through when you tap and select a cell. And as you can see, that went a lighter color, and so on and so forth. Great, thanks for watching.